Is your school ready to lead the future of education? With AR and VR, learning becomes a truly immersive experience. Classrooms turn into experience where curiosity comes into life. Students can journey through solar system, not just charts and boards, but in a virtual space. Every pulse, every detail right in front of their eyes. They can zoom into plant cells and interact with the complex structures like never before. They can also learn about maths and mensuration much better. This is more than just innovation. It's an experiential and hands-on learning. It makes learning fun and difficult concepts easier. AR and VR are not just tools. They are the new language of learning and innovation. Empower your educators, excite your learners, and transform your classrooms. Bring the future into your schools. Bring STEM Robo. Building creators, not just students.